Transform your windows in one afternoon without sewing. With Traceable Designer, you won't believe how easy it is to make beautiful custom valances that look professionally designed. This complete deluxe master decorator kit includes 5 different no-sew home decorating kits in one reusable deluxe package. Make beautiful cornice-style valances that include unique layered panels. No precise measuring needed. These crisp, fully lined panels maintain their beautiful design shape when layered on a wide pocket curtain rod. No foam board, wood, or any other base needed. Take elegance to a new level with beautiful no-sew lambrequin valances. These incredibly unique valances make a big statement on any window. The Traceable Designer lambrequin can be adjusted to fit any window size. Panels are easy to adjust for length and width and easy to hang using a standard metal curtain rod. Make beautiful pleated swag valances without sewing. Unique interchangeable swag panels make custom sizing a breeze. Make all pleated styles, gathered styles, or mix pleated and gathered styles for a truly unique swag design. Fit any window size, shape, or design style. Give your windows a beautiful artistic flair with blossom and scarf styles. Make beautiful mixed media flower styles, designer scarf accents, or make a wraparound valance with elegant fringe accents. All Traceable Designer valances are made using traceable valance design forms. Select fabric to match your decor, then prepare your fabric sections. Trace around the design form edges, then simply cut out panels, add easy iron-on trim, and hang. Complete your no-sew home decorating statement with beautiful custom no-sew table accents. You'll find style-specific video tutorials on YouTube. Simply follow along to make any of the Master Decorator valance or table styles. With Traceable Designer Reusable Master Decorator Kit, everything you need to express your unique decorating taste is always right at your fingertips. When custom no-sew decorating is this easy, why settle for less? Make your mark with Traceable Designer.